Today we are going to cook chicken in roasted coconut gravy. Ingredients: grated coconut, peppercorns, curry leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala or hot spice, salt, onion, green chili, ginger garlic, coriander leaves, tomato. Marinated chicken in turmeric and salt. Hot clay pan. I am adding little oil in it. We are going to roast the coconut. Now I am going to add ginger and garlic, little onion, peppercorn, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, now it's ready. I am going to switch off the gas, keeping this side for a little cold. Meantime, I am going to make dough for patri. This is roasted rice flour. Now I am going to add hot water in it. Very hot. Don't put your hand. Now the dough is ready. Okay. Now the roasted coconut is going to and smooth paste. Going to add oil in it. Let it hot. Clay pot. My grandmother says whatever you cook in clay pot is very different taste. Mustard seed, cumin seed, curry leaves, ginger garlic, green chili, going to add onion in it. Set for a while. Let's change the color in golden brown. Tomato, the color is turmeric powder, salt, chicken pieces, now I'm going to the roasted curry paste. Mix well. Hot water. And I'm going to close it and sim the flame. Let it cook in a simmer flame. The patri, for patri we are going to place a bowl in it and place a aluminium foil and pressing it well. Patri is ready. Place in a hot pan. Chicken curry is ready. Next I am going to place some coriander leaves and ginger julienne on top and a green chilli for garnish. Lid again. The patri is ready to serve. I'm going to add little butter on it. The meat is ready. Now you can eat with chicken curry. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Press the bell icon for the next video.